As students in the IB, we often put in late hours of work and miss many hours of sleep. Making wake-up painful and slow. We have a common belief that caffeine will help us wake up, focus and concentrate, explaining our consumption of caffeinated drinks. Wondering what effect caffeine really has, we decided to ask other students about what they believed or knew about the effects of caffeine, and then later to test if it was true. We sent a survey to students asking which drink they preferred out of Coca-Cola, black tea, medium coffee, and Red Bull. We sampled 40 random Year 12 students, of whom 16 and the majority drank black tea. 15 of the asked consumed their drinks in the morning to wake up, while 8 of the others at night to stay awake. 27 consumed 1 through 3 cups a day. 11 stated increased heart rate, and 10 more said it woke up and kept awake when asked about the effect of caffeine. As to why they consumed them, 12 said taste, while another 8 said to stay awake. That's when we began to test. After designing and testing a reaction test, we saw that all reactions done after drinking a caffeinated drink were faster. We found this by doing one test without caffeine and then drinking 200 milliliters of different caffeinated drinks. 20 minutes later, we tested again. We calculated the percentage change and reached our conclusions. Though results were varied, the majority of them were higher, resulting in an overall average of a 10% increase in reaction time. Next, we tested short-term memory with multiple tests, but found Jeremy Noel Johnson's simple word memory test the easiest to work with and understand. Our tests were built on and almost identical to his. We did one test with and without caffeine, and noted that the results improved from 3 to 5 answers correct without caffeine to 5 through 7 answers correct with caffeine. These tests and results prove that caffeine does have the believed effect. Caffeine stimulates the nervous system by blocking adenosine, resulting in the release of adrenaline. This also increases dopamine levels and is ergogenic. There are many caffeine intake forms, such as the 4 we tested. Caffeine is absorbed in a time frame of 30 to 45 minutes. While the main amount and effect of the caffeine will decrease 6 hours after intake, large amounts can remain in the system up to 12 hours or even longer. Other effects of caffeine also include the increase of heart rate, pupil dilation, muscle tightening, increased blood pressure, and glucose being released into the bloodstream for extra energy. We'll give heightened performance for a time, but will also have unwanted and uncomfortable after effects. In contrast to the worldwide favoring and impact on health, coffee is the best to use in respect to all others. As a group, we say, drink coffee.